Hello, this is Alexey. In previous video tutorials we create responsive company website from scratch with a blog, portfolio and upload it to the hosting. In this video review we will talk about RSCapri. This is responsive Joomla 4 template on Bootstrap 5 with stylish modern design for service showcase. The cost of the template includes quick start and license for RS Media Gallery component. Template is highly customizable and integrates with RS Page Builder, RS Contact, RS Media Gallery and others. It is also compatible with built-in Joomla 4 extensions. Other extensions may require writing additional styles. Let's look at the pages of this Joomla 4 template. This is the main page. This is slider. All of these elements can be added with RS Page Builder component. These elements also made with RS Page Builder component. You can change all of this photo, text, delete some items, move them, and so on. This is RS Contact module. As I mentioned before, this template is responsive. Here is mobile menu, submenu. This is search bar. Let's see other pages, for example, About Us. This page also created with RS Page Builder, so it is also highly customizable. You can rebuild it for your purpose. This page also built with RS Page Builder. Let's see at the portfolio page. This is RS Media Gallery. This is standard blog from Joomla. These modules can be disabled or you can add your own modules. Let's see blog 2 style. And the third one. This is an examples of Joomla pages, for example, login, forgot user password, all categories, and so on. Here we can see example of some elements, for example, icon boxes. You can use it on any page. Image boxes. Buttons. Typography. And all elements. In template settings you can change fonts, colors and so on. And now let's look at the settings for this Joomla 4 template. As I mentioned before, Most of these pages were created with RSCapri Page Builder. Here you can find in Components, RS Page Builder. Here is, for example, Home page, and here you can see these elements. What is RSCapri? You can edit, you can change text, you can change a lot of settings. You can delete these elements, you can move them, for example, like this, just save, update the page, and here we can see changes. Also, you can add new elements, for example, list, just save it. Here we can see the list. Each element contains a lot of settings. You can change them to achieve your goals. This is not the settings of the template itself, but this is RS Page Builder, and here you can see what you can do with this help. Also, here we can see a slider. This is RS Media Gallery. Here it is. There are some settings. You can change them, and here is the RS Media Gallery component. You can change the text, you can crop the image, you can select predefined effects, and so on. Now let's go to Template, Styles, and see Template Settings. Here are some settings. For example, you can create one-page website, you can enable preload, preload effect, and so on. Here you can change colors. Let's go, for example, here, and we can see changes in colors. Let's check this one. Update the page, and we can see that the colors were changed. Also, you can customize some color settings and font sizes. Here you can select the preferred Google font for different texts. Here are some more options. For example, you can enable Google for Analytic integration, Google Tag Manager, here, and so on. Here you can change fav icon, hide copyright link. Here it is. For example, you can hide it. And now we see that the copyright was hidden. In header option, you can change menu alignment, disable or enable off canvas menu. Here it is. You can enable or disable sticky menu, change search menu item, and so on. Here you can change social links. Here is some widget options. For example, we can change this copyright text. Let's change it. Here we can see changes. And this is my favorite top, template positions. As you know, template positions can be used to place modules. Here, with the help of these settings, you can add some positions, you can delete them, you can change their width, you can change some other settings. You can change row settings. You can move them. And of course here you can see all positions, and now you know where you should place the module. Here on Sample Data tab I already installed my sample data, but by default there will be a button, you will click on it and install sample data. And on this tab you can assign this style to different menu items. If you seek a trendy design to present your services, RSCapri is a great candidate for this role. If you have questions, please leave them in comments. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, this is Alexey, see you soon in new tutorials.